You fixing on your truck? You fixing it? Fixing your truck?
Oh no.
You fixing it? It's broke?
Broke?
Yeah, it's broke. Can it run now? Is it running? You gotta get up and check to see if it's running now. Is it working now?
Oh.
Yeah, is it working?
Oh. Oh.
It's working?
Oh.
It's broke? Is it working? Get on it and see if it's working. Oh, you gotta pick it up and check the bottom.
Whoa.
You,
Whoa.
oh, okay. So what's broke on it?
Whoa.
It's broke? You fixing it?
Whoa.
Okay. Good boy. You fixing on your truck like Papa was fixing on Mommy's car? You got it working right now? All right. Good little mechanic.
What?
You got it? You getting it done? You getting it done? All right. Okay.